Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and this is the lecture number 9 for chemical kinetics. In previous lecture, I was explaining you about how to find out order of reactions through experiments. Even in this lecture, I'll take the same thing. Okay, now we'll take one more example, a different example, like nitric oxide gas, which reacts with chlorine and we'll get nitrosyl chloride, twice NOCl. Now, we want to find out order of reaction of nitric oxide as well as chlorine with respect to their rate of reactions. Okay, in that case, in the first set, we take moles of NO 0.01, moles of chlorine 0.02, and we found the rate of reaction 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter per time. It can be per second, per minute, or per year, whatever. Set 2, in which we want to find out X, that is the order of reaction of nitric oxide. So we change the moles of nitric oxide. We'll keep the moles of chlorine same. And we'll see what is the effect on rate of reaction. And it was found 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So here the rate is changing. That means X is not equal to 0. Okay, in set 3, to find out Y, we will keep the moles of NO same with respect to first set, but we change the moles of chlorine and we make it double. And we found that rate is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter per time. That means even Y is not equal to 0. Okay, so when we write differential rate law for this reaction, then it is differential rate law. For that we write minus dCl2 by dt is equal to K NO raised to X and Cl2 raised to Y. Okay, and it is clear that X is not equal to 0, Y is not equal to 0. Now we'll put the values with respect to set 1. The rate is 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to K moles of NO 0.01 raised to X moles of chlorine 0.02 raised to Y. Okay, in second set we take 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to K 0.02 raised to X and 0.02 raised to Y. And now according to third set we write 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to K, and here 0.01 raised to X and 0.04 raised to Y. Okay, to find out X, first of all we will take difference of, ratio of second and first, so that we can cancel Y and K. So here we write 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 3.5 raised to 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to K into 0.02 raised to X into 0.02 raised to Y upon K into 0.01 raised to X into 0.02 raised to Y. So here the base of Y is same, so this will be cancelled. K will be cancelled, 10 raised to minus 3, and here 10 raised to minus 4. So if you want to change it into 10 raised to minus 4, then it's very simple. Then here we can take this 14 in, here we will take 14 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to 0.02 raised upon 0.01 raised to X. Okay, so here 10 raised to minus 4 will be cancelled, and 14 upon 3.5 will be 4. So 14 upon 3.5 is equal to 2 raised to X, and here 14 upon 3.5 is equal to 4, and 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. So here 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to 2, and therefore we can say that x is equal to 2. That means it is second order reaction with respect to NO. Okay, now we will find out y, and for y we will take the ratio of set 3 and set 1. Okay, so set 3 upon set 1, which is 7 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to k into 0.01 raised to x into 0.04 raised to y upon k into 0.01 raised to x into 0.02 raised to y. And here you know that all this will be cancelled, like 10 raised to minus 4 cancel, k cancel, and x also cancel. So only 7 upon 3.5 is 2. This is equal to 2 raised to y. Okay, so it is 2 raised to y, and as 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to y, we can say y is equal to 1. So this way y is equal to 1 matlab it is first order reaction with respect to chlorine. Now we will say for net order of reaction, and net order of reaction is equal to x plus y. So x plus y, which will be 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we can say that this is third order reaction. Okay, so this is third order reaction. We'll take one more example to find out order of reaction, and that is this one. Hydrolysis of ester. So let us take methyl acetate plus H2O gives acetic acid plus methanol. This reaction occurs in presence of acid. Acid is a catalyst. Okay, here molecularity is 1 plus 1, 2. As methyl acetate 1 mole, water is also 1 mole. Now we want to find out order of reaction of methyl acetate as well as order of reaction of water. Okay, and for this we take three different sets. Accordingly, in this set 1 will be here concentration of methyl acetate, let us take 0.01 molar, water 55.55 moles, and in this case the rate is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter per second. Set 2, in which we want to find out x, so we will change the concentration of ester. So we take 0.02 molar, moles of water will be, or more, this is 55.55, and here the rate found 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. That means rate changes, so x cannot be equal to 0. Now set 3, here we keep the concentration of ester same, but let us change the moles of water, 111.1 mole, and here the rate is found to be 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter per second. So for this differential rate law, will be rate is equal to K CH3COO CH3 raised to X and H2O raised to Y. Now we want to find out X and Y. So according to set 1, rate is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to K into moles of ester 0.01 raised to x, and here 55.55 raised to y. Now we want set 2, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to K 0.02 raised to X and 55.55 raised to Y. According to set 3, it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to K. This is 0.01 raised to X, and here 111.1 raised to Y. Now to find out X, first of all we will take ratio of second set and first set, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is equal to K into 0.02 raised to X and 55.55 raised to Y, okay, upon K 0.01 raised to X and 55.55 raised to Y. Here the base of Y will be cancelled, okay, and 10 raised to minus 3 is also cancelled, and K is also cancelled. So what is left? 4 upon 2 is 2. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 0.02 upon 0.01 raised to X, that is 2 raised to X. So here we can say that X is equal to 1. So this one will be of first order. Okay, now to find out Y, we will take set 3 upon set 1, and that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to K 0.01 raised to X 111.1 raised to Y upon K 0.01 raised to X upon 55.55 raised to Y. Okay, so here K cancel, 10 raised to minus 3 is cancelled, 2 cancel, so 1 is equal to 2 raised to Y, and 1 is equal to 2 raised to 0. Therefore Y is equal to 0. So it is zero order reaction with respect to water. So this way X plus Y is equal to 1, and therefore it is called pseudo first order reaction. So this way, even if the order of reaction of all reactants cannot be the same, okay, though molecular it is 2, but here the order of reaction of water is 0, because we are taking large amount of water with respect to the concentration of ester, and that is why when we take one of the reactant in a large amount, its order will be always 0. Okay, so this is all about this chapter in this lecture. Thank you so much.